Now this is one of these big 264Ts that were designed by the LMS and which were used in the, they were used in the Killen branch in Scotland. And here's a very interesting exhibit, the Port Carlisle Dandy. This is a horse-drawn carriage, as you can see, and it was used on the line at Port Carlisle until 1914, when the line went over to steam operation. And yep, this is I think this is the only exhibit from a Scottish railway company that's here at the National Railway Museum, the North British. There's an impressive locomotive, the Duchess of Hamilton. The LMS's answer to the LNER's A4 Pacifics. And a Southern Railway carriage.